Hello, my name is Abdul Rahman Al Bakkar.
Hello, my name is Zakaria Ramo. Let's get started with some important definitions.
Okay, so what is artificial intelligence? Basically, artificial intelligence is a branch of programming and a simulation of human intelligence processed by machines, especially computer systems. Specific applications of AI include expert systems, natural language processing, face recognition, and machine vision. AI programming focuses on three cognitive skills: learning, reasoning, and self correction. Artificial intelligence is based on the principle that human intelligence can be defined in a way that a machine can easily mimic it and execute tasks from the simplest to those that are more complex. The goals of artificial intelligence include learning, reasoning, and perception.
What is machine learning? Machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence conceptually because it takes input, finds new rules, and applies them to give output. Machine learning differs from other artificial intelligence branches because it relies on mathematical induction strategy applied on historical data. Deep learning does the same thing but uses neural networks. Deep learning's generated rules are hard to decipher, and thus it feels more artificial intelligence than others. So, next is deep learning. Deep learning can be considered as a subset of machine learning. It is a field that is based on learning and improving on its own by examining computer algorithms. While machine learning uses simpler concepts, deep learning works with artificial neural networks, which are designed to imitate how humans think and learn. Until recently, neural networks were limited by computing power and thus were limited in complexity. However, advancement in big data analytics have permitted larger, sophisticated neural networks, allowing computers to observe, learn, and react to complex situations faster than humans. Deep learning has aided image classification, language translation, speech recognition. It can be used to solve any pattern recognition problem and without human intervention. Deep neural networks are such types of networks where each layer can perform complex operations such as representation and abstraction that make sense of image, sound, and text. Deep learning systems require large amounts of data and return accurate results. Accordingly, information is fed as a huge data sets. When processing the data, artificial neural networks are able to classify data with the answers received from series of binary true or false questions involving highly complex mathematical calculations. For example, a face recognition program works by learning to detect and recognize edges and lines of faces, then more significant parts of faces, and finally the all representations of faces. Over time, the program trains itself and probability of correct answers increases. It is in this case the face recognition program will accurately identify faces with time.
Also, we have to talk a little about OpenCV. OpenCV is popular for computer vision. OpenCV uses machine learning algorithms to search for faces within a picture. Because faces are so complicated, there is not one simple test that will tell you if it found a face or not. Instead, there are thousands of small patterns and features that must be matched. A facial recognition system uses biometrics to map facial features from a photograph or video.
So, using CV2 and face recognition libraries would help us to make face recognition program. As we will see, the deep learning based facial embeddings we will using here to output first high accurate and capable of being executed in real time. We typically train a network to accept a single input image and output a classification for that image. So here we have the database in the file that called registered. We selected some faces that the program should recognize. We load each image and encode some imported measurements. Then we compare that encoded measurements, with the ones that we will see on the webcam to see if it is recognized or not.
Okay, as we can see here on the left, we have 6 different files. Each file contains some pictures of someone. This is the database we have, and now this person is recognized. He has some pictures in our database, that's why he is recognized. And here Mr. Bean is also recognized, and the people behind him are not recognized because they do not have pictures in our database. Also, we have Mark in our database, that's why he is recognized. Here Elon Musk is not recognized because we do not have his pictures in our database. Okay, thank you for listening to us, and that was our video.
Thank you.